Hi,
I am going to show how to use Type tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's go ahead. Open up Illustrator CC. Once you have it open, go ahead and create a new document. Next, let's go ahead. Select the Type tool from the toolbar. The shortcut for this tool is T. With the Type tool selected, you can click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. Now, let's explore some of the options we have with the Type tool. Click Artboard to type text. If you select your text and go up to the options bar at the top of the screen, you'll see various options for your text. You can change the font color, add stroke, make opacity, change fonts and style. Change font size. You can also align your text left, center, or right. If you want to scale text, use the selection tool. To select the text that you want to scale, hover your cursor over one of the selection handles on the corners of the bounding box around the selected text until you see a diagonal double arrow cursor appear. Click and drag your cursor to scale the text up or down. If you want to rotate, move your cursor outside the selection until you see a curved double arrow cursor. Click and drag your cursor in the direction that you want to rotate the text. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and press the right arrow key to increase the spacing between characters, or the left arrow key to decrease it. If you want to modify some selected text, click on the Type tool and select the text you want to modify. You can now change the font, size, color, spacing, etc. To make a paragraph, click and drag your mouse on the artboard to create a text box. The size and shape of the text box will depend on the area that you draw with your mouse. Release your mouse button to finalize the text box. Click inside the text box and start typing your text. You can also paste text from another source. One of the cool things about Illustrator CC is that you can convert your text into shapes. To do this, select your text and go up to Type Create Outlines. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. This will turn your text into vector shapes that you can manipulate and stylize in any way you want. If you want to create some cool effects with your text, you can use the Appearance panel. With your text selected, go up to Window Appearance to open the panel. From here, you can add strokes, fills, and other effects to your text.
thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.